and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 62. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 62. If you would like to see the previous 61, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video, and then as you mosey on down you can see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel collection, which I unboxed. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, make sure to check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it talks about the Marquise de Servingue, sorry if I butchered that, bakery. It's a miniature that was made in 1960, and it was a replica of an elegant Parisian bakery and a tea shop. Let's see. Oh, wow, that looks really cool. Well, let's continue on. Here it shows you the inside of the shop. And it shows you piece by piece all of the things. And here it shows you furniture of the 1950s. You can see there like a drawer that was also a desk and like a very simple chair. And I don't know about you guys, but I always loved these tables that could like fold out to be like bigger if you wanted. That's really cool. I kind of want to find a table like that, like for me and my husband to use, because those are really awesome. And here it teaches you how to make a cutting board for your dollhouse. And here it shows you all of the materials that you'll need that you can see there, and then it walks you through how to do all of the steps. But guys, as I always say with this collection, don't worry. Once I have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each and every one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So make sure to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun and I can't wait to complete it with you guys. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to not only let you know whenever I post a new dollhouse video, but it will also let you know whenever I post any other new video, and it'll let you know whenever I start a new live stream. Make sure to hit the bell for that. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about the natives in Australia and New Zealand. Well guys, that's the end of that. Here you just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out our 3 new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. With this tape, really the best thing is to use your finger and just kind of scrape it until it comes off. In the beginning, I used to use scissors, but really your fingers are the best thing to use. Let's see. Okay, so we have this. Just a minute, I'll take them out and then I'll show them to you guys up close. Okay, I'm just gonna move that aside. Alright. Okay guys, so first up we have this little fish pan, which is really cute. It's very shiny and it has like this little hook, so you can, I guess, like hook it to the wall like this. That's really cool. And it's like copperish all around. It's very shiny. And then, okay, you have this. I think it's supposed to be like a mill for like grinding flour. So you can use it to make bread and that kind of thing. There you have it, a bit sharper. It's really cool. Okay guys, and then last but certainly not least, we have this really pretty copper kettle, which is really cool. Not only because this part moves to both sides, but you can actually take this off just like that. It's really cute. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the tell me down in the comments below. So tell me, which of these are your favorites? Tell me down in the comments below. Do you like the fish the best, the tea kettle the best, or the flour churner, I guess it would be called? Tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think? I look forward to hearing from you. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Paraginer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. You know. I will have his links down in the description below. Well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.